For my research project, I'm studying invasive species. They're called bryozoans, and I'm studying the species Bugula Nertina. They're fouling organisms, so they grow on boats and docks. And usually people mistake them for seaweed or something like that. But it's actual animals, so when you look under a microscope, you can see it has a lophophore, and when it comes out, it's like almost like a flower, blossoming. So you can see that it's actually alive. There's so much to this project that people all over the world are studying this species, and that it's very time consuming because we have to bring them back to lab, and you have to keep them alive, which is very hard to do. I have all the species separated by colonies in the aquarium, so whenever we collect, we have to make sure that we're actually picking it from the root. So I have them all separated and all labeled. And when I start getting the samples ready, I just take it out, put it in a glass, just have some more seawater that we collected. And then I bring it to the microscope. And then what I do is just to look in the microscope and make sure that it's alive. And you know that it's alive by when the lophophores come out. And then I'll also check to see if it has ovicells, where the embryos are. And I want to make sure that there's plenty of them. And that means that they're reproductive. And then what I'll do is just go in a microscope, and I'll just take a snip and then just put in ethanol, and then that will be my voucher sample that I'll put in the freezer. This sample, I will extract DNA and do all the molecular analysis. Right now I'm concentrating in the Eastern Shore, Virginia, and collecting samples from there. And then in the fall, I will continue my research for my capstone and collect from North Carolina. After this project, I hope to try to go to as many conferences as I can, present my research. Getting to work with Dr. Lim, she's a great advisor, and I've learned a lot from her. And it's just being able to learn all these skills that hopefully will enhance my future.